home remedies to get whiter teeth. Having whiter teeth is often one of the most sought-after cosmetic procedures across the world. Around 18% of people say they conceal their teeth when smiling or taking photographs because they are embarrassed by their teeth due to the fact that they have yellowed over time. But for many, teeth whitening seems like an expensive and out-of-reach possibility. In fact, in America alone, $11 billion was spent over the course of 2015 on teeth whitening products and procedures. Number 1. Brush your teeth after eating and drinking. Food and drink are one of the key culprits when it comes to staining teeth. If you can, it's always a good idea to brush your teeth around 20 minutes after eating or drinking. Of course, this isn't always possible, especially if you're a fan of frequent snacking or regular tea and coffee breaks. Even brushing your teeth an extra time a day at lunchtime or when you get home from work or school can really help to reduce stains on your teeth and brighten your smile. Number 2. Stop smoking. Along with food and drink, smoking is the main cause of staining to teeth. Over time, the smoke and chemicals in cigarettes will stain your teeth and cause them to look yellow or dirty. By quitting smoking, you're limiting the risk of staining significantly. Number 3. Avoid too much black coffee or red wine. While most foods will cause a small amount of staining over time, black coffee and red wine are two of the worst for creating stains. Their naturally darker color means they'll have more of an effect on the white of your enamel, so avoiding them is a great way to get whiter teeth. Number 4. Baking soda. Baking soda is a popular home remedy to get whiter teeth because it has natural whitening properties. It's a natural abrasive which makes it great for removing stains from your tooth surface and giving you a brighter, whiter smile. However, because it's abrasive, using it too often or using too much could wear your enamel right down, so use it sparingly alongside maintaining good oral hygiene by brushing your teeth regularly with regular toothpaste. Number 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is really making headlines with the variety of ways it can be used to improve our health and appearance, so here's another benefit to add to the list. Coconut oil is a great home remedy to get whiter teeth. There have been a large number of reports that people's teeth have looked significantly whiter and glossier after applying